from what the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about a youth who them killed recently named Cleon Russel. Him dead in a place they call Liner Parish. It's near the border, Trelawney and Manchester. Long time, them want to catch this truth to kill him. As usual, some people around him act like them don't know why nobody would want to kill him. But a unicorn need. I understand said, but me tell them say enough man from other communities, enough other parish left and go make some place get really spooky. This is another example because Trelawney, the one's quiet Trelawney right now looks spooky. Enough of the man them way cause the spookiness and maybe they come from. And enough of the war them are going a scammer disputes. So I remember say my main thing of a bad mind scammer. So you know still want me to see that story and I have to jump on it. Because this is my main ambition in life. This is my number one goal. Wake up in the morning and try and find new ways to bad mind scammers. Before we go into that, of an anniversary. Remember the big tune? Tomorrow will come. It's the anniversary. Who for anniversary? Greg and Joan Council. You know you hear the name there, whole heap of time. The Council family. Long time supporters of the movement, long time Patreon squad. To that them anniversary. Big up yourself, Greg. Big up yourself, Joan. At this point, I become like me a part of the family. So me and them discuss certain things and research certain things. Become like me a part of the family now. Whole thing left after me get one little seat at the table. I'm own a plate. And that alone left. So the Council family, big up on yourself, happy anniversary. Relationships. Especially nowadays with so much distraction, so much new ways to get caught up. It's hard for me to maintain, but now they're still in our family. Right? That's the key in everything. And this is one family where I love how them stick together. So Greg and Joan, big up on yourself, happy anniversary. Let me get back to the bad minding. So, the youth where you see on the screen right now, Cleon Russel. But the place where him dead, it's spooky enough outside. Forces help turn off of them place there in some ghost town, you know. Even the same Trelawney there, Liner Parish and the general vicinity. At one point, even Tesha used to hide out up there, you know. When that time when things get spooky for your clansman done, them side they ain't gonna hide. Just like how Bulby they have theme spot in a rural Jamaica, I saw. Tesha did have theme one too. But I'm going to play a small clip from the video where Cleon get killed. Obviously, I can't show one of the most grimy parts like when time the shooting done. But I'm going to see like, the lead up to it because he was caught on camera. Check this out. So, Cleon Russel, as I said, JCF know him well. People around him are going to tell us. Them don't know how this happened. Them try to kill him already and him escape. Narrowly. But then, start get comfortable again. Time him and watch him and make them spies them on the ground. Tell him when time, you know, him a pass by when him a go a shop. And this shop where you see him come out as a shop where he visit regular. So then finally catch up on him and kill him. But that I really want to talk about, I not even really want to talk about Cleon. I want to talk about is how rural Jamaica is getting eroded by a cancer. Enough of the man them were hot. Kingston, St. Catherine, Moby and them place there. Them start look for quiet places. So now you in the community are point out say, yo, she say the quiet community. And she say be a gunman and take it over. Instead be a scammer and take it over. Man I go tell you say, yo, shut your mouth cause them man they buy out my bar. Shut your mouth cause them man they put on dance. Shut your mouth cause them man they book big celebrity come round them. They never see celebrity yet. Shut your mouth and mind the business. Suck your mama. That man I go tell you. Yeah, I go tell a man say, you say wait a bit a change. Wait a bit a turn hate a bit. Yeah, say you say the whole mood of the place changed. One time you used to walk on the road and it was a night. If you want to see the real change in Iron Man, don't bother waste your time go Spanish Town or West Kingston or East Kingston and them place. Don't bother waste your time go flankers. And I go show you the real change. If you want to know how Iron Man really changed and how the acidity has spread faster than a very aggressive type of cancer, a rural Jamaica you have to go. Rural Jamaica, some place when time you did younger, you could just go there and drive in any time of night. Now when you go there, the people them when you go to what they say, come before certain hours. Come before certain hours because you know like how a place a move. And I wonder, this so? For instance, you need to be careful if you go this so. Them place in was community and all about. You get up any time of night and walk around this so. No man I tell you to stay in your yard. I one thing for hear that a Marchpen Road. I one thing for hear that a Top Banks. But when you hear that in a Trelawney, when you hear that certain part of St. Elizabeth, you know say it's spooky. This is why I'm telling you say years ago on the favorite leaders them who should have clamped down upon the madness years ago, sit down and twiddle them thumbs like Tweedledee and Tweedledum. And I know them want to try bring in this and bring in that 60 odd years later. I tell them they said Tredegar Park happened over a decade ago. From this so that should have been the final straw. And from this so them should have said no more, no mass. Instead them I tell us Clarendon we just go on with it. That's the straw where brought the camel back. When time the camel back broke long time. So now all people in some rural part of Jamaica link me and say, look YouTuber, place spooky, this is not the place me grew up. And nobody not talk about it. Them not talk about it because nowadays deadly standard is so high that unless 7-8 people are dead one time, nobody no business. Sometimes I read some messages and I can do a shake my head. The cancer spread. When time Kingston and Spanish Town did well hot. That I like when time you just get diagnosed with cancer. But then, nothing about it. So now it spread and spread and spread till the whole body. Now you're the late stage. Now a funeral start plan. For 60 years they misdiagnosed Iron Man crime problem as a poverty issue. So everybody buy medication to deal with poverty, which is make more money and get more money. And that money end up make enough place get even worse because the medication was not money. Because it wasn't poverty that was behind Jamaica's high murder rate. But that's what your favorite celebrity them and politicians and quote-unquote scholars them tell you. And for years they are take medicine for something we can't help you. If you have lupus and when you go doctor, him tell you say a big C you have. And him give you beer medication for big C. And every time you take the medication, the worse you feel. And you take and you take and you take and you take and you can't get the better. That's why Iron Man progressively got even worse, even though everybody was pointing to the quote-unquote cause. Everybody was pointing at quote-unquote poverty and bring this social program and give some more money and then this and that and more clothes and more shoes and if people have more things and the crime kept getting worse. I give you big C medication for lupus. It can't help you, guy. It can't help you. So now the cancer spread gone all at Trelawney. Nice Trelawney. Cool Trelawney. Spend too much money on medication. And the wrong medication. When you spend billions on quote-unquote social intervention program, that is the same thing like when time man send you if you go spend too much millions on big C medicine. It now do nothing because on a big C make you sick. A lupus, a cancer, diabetes. They might give you Panadol to treat diabetes. And no care how you buy your Panadol, you can't get no better. Because that not gonna help you. What them should do, I tell you, say, diet have to change, lifestyle have to change, exercise have to go start changing more. But you did eat the same way, walk the same way, live the same way, and I take be a Panadol for 10 years. You wonder what go on, because doctor give you Panadol for years and until they say this is a problem and not now. How come I get worse? See the Trelawney smoke, you know, nice Trelawney. See a man from Mobile, enough of them. Go mash up Trelawney and neighboring parishes. I know about them place there. When time them a man a war, our police a look for them. Run gun na people place. And that's the Iron Man there. Cancer spread. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Ultra squad. See you circling. Bless.